Hello and welcome to my channel, and as the title says, I think I found my ideal backpack for photography, and I find it just fits everything. So keep watching and see what I can fit in it, and I've still got space for more. You can see here it's really comfortable to wear. It's a reasonable size, it's 32 litres, and it carries a laptop if you want. So here it is. It's a really nice backpack with plenty of pockets. I can hold tripods and water bottles and hang things on it, and it's comfortable. So thank you so much, kentfaith, for sending this to me for review. So look at this, we've got some pockets straight away in the lid as we open it up. So I'm going to put maybe cards in there, spare cards or batteries. So let's look what I've got. I've got a controller here for my drone, and then I've got my drone, and then the spare batteries for the drone, and that's just taking one side. Then I've got room for my small DJI Nano camera, which is great. Then I've got another controller for my Neo 2, and then I can just keep my Neo 2, so I've got access to both drones very easy in this pocket. Now in addition, if we just pull these out, you can position these dividers wherever you want in here, but if you take them out, have a look what else we've got with it. Let's just put them in the bottom here. There's a strap for this bag, so you can actually keep this separate bag in there if you want and load gear into it, or you can carry it separately, so you can have your rucksack and that bag, and it just fits nicely in that bottom pocket if that's what you want. So let's just put my drone back into this. Open it up, you can see you've got dividers in here. You've got a neat little pocket at the side, one at each side, and then you've got a nice zip pocket at the front, so you can carry your drone maybe, or a camera over your shoulder in addition to whatever's in the backpack. So let's just put one of these drones back in here. I'll put my DJI Mini 4K, and that's really handy. Close it back up. You've got a bit of a hard front on that case. Now at the other end, if you open it up, you've got a place for a camera, and it's fairly large. I've not just got my camera in there, but I've also got my DJI action camera and tripod, and that just fits really neatly in the top. And again, that's got a bit of a hard cover, but if you take these zips down a bit further, you can open it up, and look, we've got another little pocket. My problem is remembering where I put things. But look at this, you can open it up and have some spare lenses. So I've put 3 of my EFM lenses in here. This is my Sigma Trio. Then you've also got a cover, so if you're out in the rain, you can cover your rucksack or your backpack and just keep everything nice and dry if it's really pouring down. Let's just put that back, zip that up. So I like the way that you can get to the camera without exposing the lenses. Look, I've just found another pocket. It's great, isn't it? Really going to make use of all of this. And you've got another zipped compartment at the top, and I think in this one I'm going to put my phone, maybe spare batteries in these 2 little pockets here, and I think I'll probably put a power pack as well in here. There's plenty of room in that section. We'll have a go at that in a minute. So we do that zip up, and then we can do the main zip. You've also got these straps here, which I think is going to be great if I want to just carry a rain mat with me and just hang it over. You can see I've put my water bottle in here, and it's quite a large water bottle, and there's still room for a bigger one if I wanted one instead. It's really great. And then you've got exactly the same on the other side, so I'm going to use this one for a tripod. You've even got a strap underneath the pocket if you've got a larger tripod that you want to hang down further, but these pockets are quite large, and I can just fit the tripod nicely and then strap it up at the top so that it doesn't fall out, which is really nice. And even tighten this up so that it's nice and stable while it's in there. Yeah, I'll probably use this if I want one of my larger tripods so I can extend it down. Now this back, look at this, there's nice cushioning, there's a bit of a space between the backpack and your back, which is good on hot days, but also depending on your height you can actually move the straps up or down, so you've got large, medium and small. And that just velcros over, and you can adjust the length of the straps at the top and at the bottom, which is great. Then of course around your waist to hold the backpack in, you've got a nice strap that clips in, and I'll show you that in a moment. But look, you've got more pockets, so I'm going to use these for maybe spare batteries or my keys, which is more likely to be the case. Then you've even got these straps here to hang things on, which I think is going to be great because I might hang my action camera on there. Now underneath you've got these nice hard plastic, and then on the top you've got a carry handle if you just want to carry it, or hang it on the tripod to steady the tripod. Now here's that top pocket again where I said I'll keep my phone and maybe a power pack. So there's the phone, but there's plenty of room in here. Let's give it a go with a power pack as well. Here we go, there's a power pack and the phone. How good is that? And here you can clip the straps together, the shoulder straps, just to give, and that just helps it fit nicely. And then you've also got the strap that goes around your waist that just clips into place, and you can pull it tight, and that just holds the whole thing nice and firm while you're hiking. You can see here I've got the tripod and the water bottle. It just feels good. Now here's the idea. I've got my action camera. I may well just hang this on in its case, and then I've got quick access to the action camera if I want to do some vlogging very quickly, and that saves me taking my backpack off. I can just remove that from the case that's hanging there. But just one idea, you could use it however you want, but this just feels so comfortable. Look at that. I will give you a code to enable you to get some money off. You can get a discount, 20% off if you use the code DLudlow. I'll put links down in the description for you so that you can go off and have a look at this and consider purchasing it. But I think it's an absolute brilliant backpack. I took a long time to choose this one, and again I'd like to thank Kentfaith for sending this to me for nothing. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little review in this video. If you did, please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider it and click that notification bell so that you don't miss future videos.